Hi guys, this is Chika from Borrowed Delights, and on this episode we are making my baked banana oatmeal. So to start, I have here in my bowl 1 ripe banana and some honey, and I'm just going to mash it together with my honey. Next, I'm going to add in some melted butter, give that a stir, and then I'm going to add in my milk and some vanilla extract. You're also going to add in 1 egg. I'm going to switch to my whisk and mix this all together. And if you guys would like the full written recipe, you can visit my blog, borroweddelights.com. And as always, I will leave a link to my site in the description box below. So you just want to thoroughly mix this together and then set this aside. And I have here 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. As you can see, they're nice and kind of big ones. You don't want to use instant oatmeal. To this, I'm going to add some cinnamon and baking powder, and I'm just going to stir this together. This recipe is so simple, guys. It really takes no more than 5 minutes to put together once you have all your ingredients measured out. So I have here my baking dish, and I buttered it lightly. I'm going to add into it my oats that have mixed together, and then I'm going to add in my banana mixture. And I'm just going to use a fork. You're just going to kind of stir this together, making sure that your oats are fully kind of drenched or coated in the egg mixture. This is going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven until it is nice and golden brown. So it should take about 45 to 55 minutes depending on your oven. So you'll want to start checking it at about the 45-minute mark. Once this is done, you'll want to let it cool for about 10 minutes and then you can go ahead and serve this up. This baked banana oatmeal is so incredibly delicious. If you are a lover of oatmeal like I am, you are going to fall in love with this recipe. It's not too sweet, it's nice and moist, not dry at all, and has just a really lovely fresh banana bread taste to it. And if you do meal prep, this is a great meal prep breakfast recipe. Again, just make the recipe and then portion it out into individualized servings, and you can have that throughout the week. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. I'm also on Instagram, so be sure to follow me there as well, at Borrowed Delights. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.